Hello everyone. Today let's talk about differential oil seal. This product made of NBROFKM rubber and metal. And this size is internal diameter is 97.5 and the external diameter is 162 and 175 and the sink is 16 and 24. This product has made a spring. Look, this is a spring and the color is red-brown. This has many following features. The first one is with long service life and good brushing resistance, more wear resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud and water resistance. And this product applicable to DONGFENG differential oil seal in the mechanical engineering and the equipment processing industry, sealing of transmission system of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.